Hi children, Sai Ram. How are you all? I am also fine. Thank you children. So, you tell me now which God has come to our house and we were so happy when he came to our house. And you have got a vacation for that. Yes, favorite, everybody's favorite, that is Ganpati Bappa. Who is he? He is a god, and when he comes to your house, you clean your house, you make decoration, right? Mummy makes modak and other variety of food, right? Yes, and when he comes, what you do? You join your hands in front of him and you should always thank that whatever he has given to you. You should never complain and he will always give you all the happiness. All the God will give you every time and happiness, right? So, when he goes, you feel a little bad, right? When Ganpati Bappa goes, you feel a little bad. But no problem. Next year, again, he will come and make you happy, right? So, you should always be happy. God is everywhere and he will always help you. So today we are going to learn a new rhyme. God loves you. So let's get started. Title of the poem is God loves you. First I will say the whole poem, then we'll repeat with me. God loves you and I love you, and that's the way it should be. You can be very sad, I can be very sad, but that's not the way it should be. You can be very glad, I can be very glad, and that's just the way it should be. God always gives you happiness. Whenever you are sad, he will move his magic wand and make you happy. Okay? So shall we repeat after me? Okay. Ready children? Ready. Title of the poem is God loves you. God loves you and I love you, and that's the way it should be. You can be very sad, I can be very sad, but that's not the way it should be. You can be very glad, I can be very glad, and that's just the way it should be. Oh, very nice poem children. So shall we repeat one more time? Okay. So title of the poem is God loves you. God loves you. And I love you. And that's the way it should be. You can be very sad. I can be very sad. But that's not the way it should be. You can be very glad. I can be very glad. And that's just the way it should be. Okay, did you like the poem, children? Okay, so shall we move to our activity? So let's get started. So today we are going to make a laddu as we all make for Ganpati Bappa, our God. So let's get started. For that we require any cream biscuit. I have taken Oreo biscuit as everybody liked this. A little bit of butter, milk and dry fruit if you want to. First, I'm going to remove the cream and keep it aside. See, I have separated this cream aside and this biscuits aside. Now, with the help of your mummy, you can just grind it in the mixer grinder. So, see, I have grinded it. If you see small pieces remaining, just crush it with your hands. Now, we are going to add a little bit of butter. It should be normal temperature. And what? This is your favorite milk. Now, we'll add spoon by spoon and then mix it. See, it will turn a little this like this. You can, with your help of your hand, just mix it. Now see, this is how it will look. Now we are going to make small portion. Take a small portion and just round it. See, isn't it looking yummy? And now keep it in one plate. Make the laddus of the remaining also. See, now you can see this 4 laddus. Now take dry fruits if you like or whichever is your favorite. I have grated it. Again just roll it and put it in this. Again roll it. Roll it. And then just do like this. It's a garnish. It is not compulsory that you have to have this dry fruit. Whichever is your favorite dry fruits, you can use it. Again, roll it. Put it in this dry fruit and keep it. Isn't it, children? It's very easy. And with your favorite biscuit, see, Now it's ready to eat. You can keep it just for 5 to 7 minutes in the fridge and then it's ready to eat.